Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 876, middle of the linked list. We're told that we're given the head of a singly linked list and we need to return the middle node of the linked list. And if there are two middle nodes, we need to return the second middle node. So in this example, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we return 3 because that's the middle node. In this example, we return 4, as this is the second middle node, so the two middle nodes are 3 and 4, but we return the second one. So basically the last one. And we're given some constraints. So the way we can approach this problem, it's quite a trivial solution, and it's basically by using 2 pointers, a slow pointer, which is shifted one node at a time, and a fast pointer, which is shifted 2 nodes at a time, so that when we get to the end of our list, our fast pointer will be at the end of our list, but our slow pointer, since it moves half the distance of our slow pointer moves half the distance of our fast pointer, it will be at the middle node of the list, and that's the pointer that we would return. So let's initialize our pointers. Let's set our slow equal to our head, as well as our fast pointer equal to our head, and we'll say while fast, so while our fast pointer has not reached the end, we'll say fast equals fast dot next. So we shift twice, whereas our slow, we're just going to shift slow dot next, so just shift just once, and then return our slow pointer, which will be at the middle node. So that's on our code. Okay, a non-type object is not attribute next. That's because we also need to check while fast and fast dot next. So while there is a next property on our fast node, so that basically our we're not at the end of the list basically. So let's run our code again. Okay, let's submit our code, and we pass all 36 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, well, it's just a single pass. So it's O of n space time complexity, and space complexity will be O of 1 space complexity, since we aren't storing the list nodes anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it made sense, and I'll catch you in the next one.